Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change fuel filter Ford Transit MK7, updated. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the handbrake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal immediately. Wear safety glasses and nitrile gloves and have a drip tray ready. Relieve fuel pressure, depressurize the system, and work in a well-ventilated area away from sparks. Keep a fire extinguisher nearby and clean up any spills promptly. Begin by locating the fuel filter under the transit, usually near the tank or rail. Support the vehicle safely if needed and loosen mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket, then remove hose clamps with an 8 mm tool. Place a drain pan beneath the filter and slowly disconnect the fuel lines to capture fuel. Note hose orientation and quick connector tabs, then remove the old filter and clean the mounting area before fitting the new one. Fit the new filter in the same orientation as the old one, ensuring the arrow points toward the engine. Replace any worn clamps or seals and hand-tighten mounting bolts, then finish with appropriate torque without over-tightening. Reconnect fuel lines securely and double-check quick connectors are fully engaged. Reconnect the battery, prime the fuel system by switching the ignition to run several times, and inspect for leaks while the engine cranks and starts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.